doing today? Well, I'm here at home. Not sure what I'm going to do today. I know that my aunt mentioned that she wanted to go to the beach yesterday. Yesterday meaning she wanted to go, saying that she wanted to go to the beach today. Like yesterday she said she wanted to go to the beach tomorrow, which tomorrow would be today. You know what I mean, right? Yeah, so yeah, that's might be what we do today. Not quite sure. After yesterday, I really kind of don't want to be with them because they're kind of insane and stuff. And yeah, so we shall see. But that is, I think that's the only plan. My sister went to her mommy's house, so she's not here. And my brother is gone to school, so I'm home alone. Not alone, but daddy's working as usual. And yeah, so that's all gone for today so far. I haven't eaten anything. I don't really have much of an appetite today. I'm just watching some Maury and some investigation TV. I love that shit, like Red Drum Murders, like on this case or this case on, or whatever, all those shows about investigating like when people died and how they died and who killed them and stuff like that. I love it. You never know when you might need to know those type of tips, or you know, like in case something happens to you, like if you're kidnapped or something, like how those people escape, like you sort of have an idea as to what you could do if you're ever put in that situation. So it's good to watch those things and know what to do in case.
Those are your sons, baby. No dealing with them.
Yeah. Kiwi, this dog is so annoying, forever in the day barking. Hey Kiwi. There's daddy in his workshop. Always working. No days off. Like I said before, he works January to December, Monday through Sunday, including all public holidays. But yeah, so I guess if I'll just see you guys later when I go outside and start my day. This is all that's happening right now. So I guess let me day. No, you can't see, but me I bet you can go. Oh my god. I got Sakura. I got it. I fucking finally got it. What? Cha. Oh my god. This one. Do you see it? Okay, bye. I gotta go. I gotta eat. Bye. Oh. Too bad it's not brown, man. Or is it like, okay, because, okay, there's a Kripski, there's a chop soy, chop, a sin where you chop, isn't it? You see, all I mix vegetable, a sin where you chop soy, so you chop soy, and damn it. She's so annoying. Who are you talking to? Michael? Michael? Yo, turn it down. Oh my god. What the fuck did I just find in my food?
Which one did I find?
In my mouth? It was mixed up in. So like, I'm hungry set up right now. Nah, carry. So I'm home. It's nighttime. What did I do today? I went into Montego Bay. I got my food. I got my Chinese food finally, thank God. What else did we do? That was really honestly it for today. It was a pretty, I was home for majority of the day. And yeah, now I'm home. My dad's gone out to play dominoes as he does every Friday. And my brother's with him. So it's just me and my sister at home. I have a really early day tomorrow. I think I have a really early day tomorrow. So until then, have yourself a wonderful night. And I'll see you in the morning or afternoon, depending on when my day starts. Bye. What you say? I'm okay. What you say?